A great day to you, and welcome to our video demonstration on how our professional kit can be used for vlogging application. So, ginawa namin talaga to, no? Specifically for vloggers, para nakikita nyo what you can do to maximize the use of our professional kit. No? So, nakikita nyo ngayon, because of, Ryan, no, siguro ito, because of this switcher that we have, no, there are three things that it can extremely deliver. No? First is yung sinasabi nating advanced chroma keying. No? And as you can see from the raw video, I'm actually being shoot lang dito sa green screen. And like I look like in TV. No? So, again, yan ang isa sa mga things that we are able to deliver for the professional kit, no? To make you have that like TV-like look on your videos. No? So, meron tayong nakikita dito yung may logo tayo, di ba? Meron rin tayo dito yung kung sinong host. And we can actually also have yung sinasabi natin sponsored by. So makikita nyo dito, I'm actually sponsored by Fiber Broadband. So it can be a telco or different ones, no? Hand in hand with the DOT, Department of Tourism. May special thanks pa tayo dito sa an airline, no? For the travel needs that we have, and also to ensure that we capture yung sinasabi natin, yung mga viewers natin, nandito yung Instagram, Facebook, different social media networks that they can do that. More importantly, again, dito, we can create our own channel. No? So, alvlogtv.com. No? So, pwedeng ganun ang gawin natin. So, you can do that as well so that you will have what we call impactful and very, kumbaga sinasabi natin, maaalala ng mga audience and viewers ninyo. No? So, you can create your own TV channel like that. No? So, with our package, our professional kit, you can create this, sinasabi natin, perfect branding, perfect monetization. No? In addition to that, we can do also switching of mga backgrounds natin, no? And also perfect background pala, no? Because of the switcher na we have here. Kumbaga, ang linis-linis ng dating ko dito, no? You don't see, kumbaga, very professional lang pagkagawa sa akin dito. So, we can also switch. For example, I'm a vlogger. This is an example of a, travel vlog. I can also do a vlogging reflecting a Twitter. No? So, pwede natin yan. So, JC. So, dahil idol ko si Ma'am Jeneline. No? So, well, lahat na nakikita niyo, by the way, dito are some purely for demonstration. So, nakikiaram lang kami dito. No? At dahil idol ko si Ma'am Jeneline, no? So, I can say na, Ma'am Jeneline, alam niyo yung comment niyo dito, I'm very happy. I'm really touched with what you have said para sa mga taong tinutulungan ninyo. So, napakabuti niyong tao. No? So, these are the things that we can do, no? To be able to, I would say, make our vlogging extremely impactful, extremely, I'd say, very enticing, and I would say watchable to our viewers. No? Aside from, again, yung skill sets nyo to make it laugh, to make people cry. No? So, yan yung mga skill sets ninyo. No? So, pwede rin tayo that we can do what we call, since itong switcher natin has different inputs, we can do also remote streaming. Which I will show you later on. No? So, but again, sa akin here, with Media Convergence, what we would like to give you is to empower you with a TV-like feature, TV-like capability to reach out more effectively to your viewers, to monetize more on the videos that you have created. No? So, yan yung mga importante sa amin. And again, going back, no, we can also do remote streaming. And let me give it to you now.
Stream. So ayan, nandyan si Ryan no sa atin. So just a quick one. Let me do some switching here. Ha? So Ryan, kaway ka man dyan, kaway?
Ito po.
And Ryan, kamusta naman dyan?
Ito po, so far na po, tahimik po dito. Kapaunti naman po mga bisita sa loob ng hotel. Ilan-ilan lang.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, no. At again, just to give you a view kung ano no, and this is some of the other things that you can add, no. Let me turn it off here. These are some of the things that you can add to your vlogging, no. If you wanted to have a remote stream like nakikita niyo sa screen natin ngayon, no, here na talagang sabihin natin there's someone live stream outside, no, doing some reporting, or sabihin natin pumunta sa isang event, no, and you're doing a vlogging inside your house. So they're using what we call itong sinasabi natin live view solo that can use yung technologies natin sa wireless to be able to transport your videos from remote back to you, no. So ito plus your small camera to do again professional live video and audio na nakikita nyo katulad kay Ryan. And if you want to avail of this remote streaming incorporated in your vlogging as well, this is an optional thing you can buy, and you can contact us directly to get this as well with your professional kit. So there it is, my friends, no. So this is one of a great output that we have now. Thank you very much, JC, no. Binago mo ako, no, yung background ko. If you feel you need to monetize, if you feel you need to have these kinds of branding as well as sponsorship that you should incorporate with your vlogging, please get the professional kit with Video Convergence, and we'll help you to have that impactful video for your audience. Thank you very much and have a great day.